Rich music, my music. It creates a pathway to bring us together. My music is inclusive rather than competitive. I want my music, rich music, to act with haste into the soul. Like a defibrillator that shocks the heart and saves lives. Returning life free of the isms. Racism, sexism, classism, and homophobia. Rich music, my music. This is what love sounds like. Hey, listen, my name is Richard Howell, composer, saxophonist, and producer. It gives me great pleasure to present to you the new album, Moon Over Tiburon. It is sold exclusive at RichardHowellAndSuddenChanges.com. Please come and connect with me. This is what love